present here. So, if you perform well, teacher going to give you the present. Okay, would you like to get the present?
Yes.
Would you perform good?
Yes.
Okay, can I have all the girls and boys in front? Stand closer to teacher. Attention! Oh, you see the straight line? There you go. One more time. Attention! Okay, turn to your parents. Can you fit in the corner? Okay, right? No. Then maybe I still have two rows. Two rows will be better. Can I have Rory? So 4 and 1, 6. Nice. Then we are going to sing Will sneezes. Okay, before the performance, right, we have to bow. Can you hold hand with your friends? Hold hand with your friends. Look at the daddy, mommy. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Bow. Okay. Now let's hold on your drumstick. I'm sorry, 可能真坏了我。Now hold your drumstick. We are going to sing a song for you which is called Will Sneezes. Will also sneeze.
Little baby, when it's easy.